Ciao Internet, my name is Axen and this is my arcade. Welcome back. Today I want to talk a little bit about Project L, the upcoming fighting games from Riot Games based on the League of Legends world. So, very much hype and interesting topic, right? The dev team released a new video right about now, which is about basically they revealed the fact that the game does not also support 1v1 with two characters tag team mode, but also actual 2v2 player mode. So each team composed of two characters will be played. Each character will be played by a different person, right? A different player. So 4 people actually fighting in the same match, which is something pretty unusual in this kind of games. The last one that did this that I can think of, and I'm not sure that there has been any other game that did this, was Street Fighter Cross Tekken. They really suffered from other issues, but that thing was really fun, man. I really played a lot of that game in that mode, in duos as they call them in Project L. So the fact that you can concentrate on playing just one character, but adding the layer when to tag your other player in and do combos together and stuff like that can be a really fun experience. And also they said that you can play the game 2v2, 2v1, 1v2 and all the combinations, right? Pretty cool stuff. So they've shown the game, some of the gameplay, the new gameplay, and I had to say presentation is looking better and better in this game each and every time they showed it, because holy shit, man, this game looks fucking good. And you have to put this in the context of a competitive free-to-play Riot game, right? You will never see a competitive free-to-play Riot game have super hyper realistic, super high budget looking graphics. You will see stylized graphics that allow the game to be played on basically toasters, very old PCs and stuff like that. So the most players have the access to it, the better it is for the game. So they're gonna go with something that's really accessible. That being said, the style of the game, how the game is rendered, the cell shading, of it, the lighting, the animation for the characters, all looks ages better than what they've shown before this video. So I am really happy and hype about the game, and I can't wait for some of my favorite characters from leagues to show up. Yeah, great job guys at Riot Games, great job at the team with the Cannon brothers at the helm. Bravo, kudos to you. The game looks amazing and it looks really fun. All the mechanics that they've showed so far look great. All the mechanics that they've talked about, they talk about also some of the ways that you can customize the way your team works with the thing that they call fuses, which are kind of like grooves in past Capcom games, which allowed you to personalize and customize how the specific mechanics in the game worked for you, for your team, and maybe choose basically how to bend the rules of the game in your favor for your particular style of play, right? It's nice, and they've shown a lot of synergies between characters, and a lot of the mechanics that they already talked about before. They just shown them in a better light, in actual 2v2 matches. That's great. So this is gonna be a quick one. I just want to say I'm not gonna be analyzing the gameplay very specific details right now, because there are a lot of videos out there that talk about it. People that actually played the game, like Ruffelmonger, Maximilian, Sagem, all of the big FGC names. You can check those videos out. I recommend to because they are really insightful in what the game actually is and plays like. But what I'm gonna tell you right now is just that I'm hype about the game. It looks great. I can't wait for the game to drop. I can't wait to see more character in action. I can't wait for Evo to be here and show us more things, because they said that they're gonna be at Evo, and there's gonna be a playable demo right there. Unfortunately, I'm not going to go, of course, there, because it's kind of expensive to go there from Italy. And but you know, I'm gonna be watching it, and if they have news, I'm gonna be covering it, because I think if they are able to play their cards right, I think this game has a bright future ahead, even with like the most hardcore of the FGC members. So, as always, if you liked my content, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Ciao, 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 ciao.